Well, for the first time in weeks, all 50 states are in some phase of reopening. But as ABC's Karina Mitchell tells us, some people across the country say they are torn over whether it's too soon to reopen.
Across the country, all 50 states finally entering some phase of reopening. In Minnesota, long lines forming at this DMV, residents anxious to renew their licenses.
I figured I'd come about an hour before and get in line.
In hard-hit New York, ultraviolet light now being used to clean subways and buses to speed up the ability to commute to work. Authorities spending $1 million on the devices, hoping the light will stop the coronavirus in its tracks. Even as restrictions are lifted, new protests are erupting. In Connecticut, the final state to begin reopening, salon owners furious after learning they won't be included in today's Phase 1 plan.
The rug got pulled out from underneath us.
And in New Jersey, this gym goer arrested and the gym owner fined for ignoring lockdown rules. ABC News looked at 21 states that eased restrictions at least 2 weeks ago or earlier and found no major reported changes in the hospitalization rate or COVID-19 deaths. But a new CDC study highlights the risk of reopening, tracing a cluster of infections in Arkansas to a single church. More than a third of the 92 people who attended got sick. 3 people died. But one positive turn after fears that coronavirus patients in South Korea had been reinfected, the South Korean CDC saying results showing relapses could actually be a fluke, not a relapse due to testing failures.
These results are very encouraging and should be very reassuring to the public.
And in a sign of just how far we've come, the governor of Texas saying childcare facilities can reopen immediately, setting the stage for the return of summer camp. Karina Mitchell, ABC News, New York.